Porto, Portugal, is a top tourist destination known for its stunning architecture, historic bridges, and lively atmosphere. The city offers something for everyone, from iconic churches to exciting nightlife. Strolling along the riverfront, exploring narrow streets, or taking a cruise are great ways to enjoy the city. Porto is home to UNESCO sites like Rua Santa Catarina. Must-see landmarks include the Clérigos Church and Tower, Porto Cathedral, and the Carmo Convent, each showcasing unique and beautiful architecture. In this video, we will explore the best places to visit in Porto. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Porto Cathedral. Standing high on a hill, Porto Cathedral looks over the city like a strong fortress. This grand church is the oldest and largest in Porto, making it an important place to visit. It shows different styles of architecture, including Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque, which reflect the city's rich history. Built many centuries ago, it has witnessed Porto's changes over time. History and architecture lovers will enjoy exploring its massive stone walls, beautiful details, and peaceful atmosphere. A visit here offers a glimpse into the past and a great view of the city below. 2. Dom Luís I Bridge. The Dom Luís I Bridge in Porto was designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel, the famous architect behind the Eiffel Tower. When it was built, it greatly helped Porto's economy. Before the bridge, people could only cross the river using boats tied together. Now, it is one of the most famous landmarks in Porto. Visitors can walk on the pedestrian path and enjoy beautiful views of the Douro River and the historic Ribeira District. The bridge remains an important connection in the city, linking Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. Its iron structure is a great example of 19th century engineering. 3. Clérigos Church and Tower. Standing on a hill in Porto is the Igreja dos Clérigos, an 18th century church known for its beautiful design. Next to it is the Torre dos Clérigos, a tall bell tower that is one of the city's most famous landmarks. The church is decorated with detailed Baroque carvings, including shells and garlands, which represent Porto's connection to the sea. Visitors can climb the tower to enjoy wide views of the city. With its history and stunning architecture, the church and tower are must-see places for anyone exploring Porto. They offer a mix of culture, beauty, and an amazing lookout over the city. 4. Rua Santa Catarina. Rua Santa Catarina is the main shopping street and social center of Porto. It runs for about 1 mile from Praça do Marques do Pombal in the north to Praça da Batalha in the south. This lively street is filled with shops, cafes, and beautiful Art Nouveau buildings, making it a great place to explore. Many people start their Porto sightseeing here, as it offers a mix of history, culture, and shopping. Whether you want to enjoy a coffee, shop for souvenirs, or admire the charming architecture, Rua Santa Catarina is a must-visit spot in the city. It is always full of energy and a favorite among both locals and tourists. 5. Ribeira. Ribeira is the oldest part of Porto, located on the banks of the river Douro. This historic district is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has a maze of narrow streets and old houses painted in pastel colors, rising up a hill above the water. Ribeira is full of history, but it is also a lively place today. Its modern waterfront is lined with restaurants, bars, and cafes, making it a great spot for relaxing, eating, and enjoying the view. At night, the area comes alive with people enjoying the nightlife. With its mix of old charm and modern energy, Ribeira is one of Porto's most popular places to visit. 6. Liberdade Square. Liberdade Square is a historic and beautiful square in Porto. It is located at the southern end of Avenida dos Olhados, one of the city's most famous streets. The square was created in the late 18th century when Porto started growing beyond its medieval walls. Today, it is an important spot in the city, offering amazing views of famous buildings. If you stand in the middle of the square, you can see some of Porto's best architecture, including the stunning Baroque-style City Hall. This area is a great place to admire the city's history and enjoy its charming atmosphere. 7. The Carmo Convent, now home to the Carmo Archaeological Museum, was built in the late 14th century. It stood strong through many battles, but was destroyed during the Great Lisbon earthquake of 1755. At that time, it was the largest church in Lisbon. Today, its ruins remain as a symbol of the disaster. The convent's main altar now hosts an archaeological museum, where visitors can explore historical artifacts. Walking through the open-air ruins, you can see the fallen arches and learn about Lisbon's past. This site is a reminder of both the city's rich history and the power of nature. 8. São Bento Railway Station. Porto's São Bento Railway Station is famous for its stunning floor-to-ceiling azulejo tiles. These beautiful blue and white tiles cover the main foyer and show important moments from Portuguese history. The entrance walls are mostly blue, but colorful tiles decorate the edges all the way up to the ceiling. This busy train station is not just for travelers. It is also a must-see attraction in Porto. Even if you don't plan to take a train, visiting São Bento is worth your time. The detailed artwork and history told through the tiles make it one of the most beautiful spots in the city. 9. Porto Bridge Climb. The Arrábida Bridge in Porto crosses the Douro River and was the world's largest concrete arch bridge when it opened in 1963. This impressive structure is an important part of the city's history and offers stunning views. Today, visitors can take part in the Porto Bridge Climb, the only bridge climbing experience in Europe. This exciting activity allows people to walk up the archway and see Porto and the river from a whole new angle. It's a rare and special way to experience the city's beauty. The climb is safe and guided, making it a fun adventure for those looking to explore Porto in a unique way. 10. Douro River. The Douro River starts in the Spanish town of Duelo de la Sierra and flows all the way to Porto, a city on Portugal's Atlantic coast. It is the third longest river on the Iberian Peninsula and passes through one of Europe's most beautiful wine regions. The Douro Valley is famous for its vineyards, where people grow grapes to make wine and port. Many visitors come to see the stunning views, enjoy boat trips, and taste the local wines. Porto, at the river's end, is well known for its port wine, which is stored in cellars along the riverbanks. This peaceful and scenic area is a must-visit for wine lovers,